Okay, so don't judge me. Right now, pots and pans are a chaotic mess. And I really thought that I was gonna be downsizing. And this was before I bought my mom some pots and pans. Oh, my camera's tripping. Fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle vlogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home decor and home organization because I just moved to Atlanta. So excited to take you on this journey as I make this house a home. And today we're diving into kitchen organization. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I take organization very seriously, and the kitchen is one of my favorite places to make it all happen. This go round, I'm showing you all of my favorite Amazon products to help organize drawers and cabinets. So I won't ramble too long because we have a lot to do and I'm ready to get into some things. All right, let's go. All right, so this is the situation here. I am so embarrassed, but I really am not because I'm about to have a good time with y'all getting this thing organized. If you were following me from the apartment, you know that these are from Amazon, but I cannot wait to get this drawer really organized with the newer items for a drawer organization. I don't even know how I find things. I think I just kind of have this, you know, some people have like an organized chaos adaptability where you know where everything is even if it's chaotic. I just know what drawer to go to when I'm looking for things, specifically like cooking tools. Utensils are here, so you know, kind of tells you where stuff are. Where are my forks? Comment down below if your forks disappear. I know I ran the dishwasher and clean forks on the dishwasher, but I know we use forks more than anything else. However, the dishwasher does not have all the forks that I have, and I thought I had some in here, so where are my forks going? Anyway, just to show you that this drawer is so long. This drawer is so long, and I'm not utilizing the space like I need to, so I cannot wait to come in and insert the drawer organizers based on location, where I'm walking, in the kitchen, when I need things, and so forth. I cannot wait to make good use of the organizers that I have and really organize based on like where I am in the kitchen and what I need. When I'm standing here, I would need knives and forks, but it's not necessarily like the best location for them. I am actually right across from my coffee machine, hint, hint. So this drawer, I really want to put to good use based on where it is. And it's actually the longest drawer, so it has to be used thoroughly, okay? The space has to be used thoroughly. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next drawer so I can show you what we're working with. All right, let's go. All right, this drawer is right here by the stove and kitchen sink. Those mats are empty. I just put away clean dishes. Things that I hand wash that cannot go in the dishwasher. And I have a couple utensils there that I'm getting ready to put in a utensil holder on the counter. But y'all, the only thing in here is a rolling pin. Just lonely, right? So can you guess what I'm about to put in this drawer? Definitely need to maximize on where it's located. Hint, hint. So I don't even know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but we're gonna go ahead and really put this drawer to good use, and I cannot wait to show you the organizer that's going in here, okay? All right, next drawer. Now this one had some utensils in it, but I ended up putting them in the dishwasher to wash. I really think that's because it's near the stove and because I have a little bit of an excess of some of these tools, I'm gonna move one of the organizers you've already seen so that the overflow of these special items can be put to good use here. I'm trying to give y'all hints before we get started. Okay, next drawer. All right, this drawer is what it is. It's basically extra cooking tools that will not be on the counter. Most of the tools that I'm gonna put on the counter kind of go with the aesthetic in my kitchen. These do not. Might insert some of these ones, white ones in the utensil holder on the, like, you know, big jar utensil holder on the counter. But I don't want to overcrowd it, and right now it looks like it's going to be full. These are all dollar store baking items, so I don't mind if they're in the drawer. I might keep them out, but I feel like baking is not something that I use every day. The pasta tool I don't use every day, so might leave them in the drawer. With that said, the turquoise, the blue, and the red, y'all know they are not going to be out on the countertop. They will not be. Not today, not in this kitchen. So I don't have an organizer for this drawer yet, but I think I have an idea of what I might use from the previous apartment, and that being these expandable dividers, to just simply divide this in half, line the bottom once I clean it out again. I did clean it already, but just to wipe it, give it a good wipe down, line it, and then put one of these dividers in here so that I could kind of divide by color or by use, tool use, okay? Or tool purpose. So that's that. This will probably be the only drawer without an organizer in it. And I think that's it. Are there any other drawers? Oh, let's go. This drawer kind of started already, but I'm gonna take out the items that are complete so that you don't see ahead of time. Hold on. All right, so this drawer will be for bags or baggies. I did get these when I was in the apartment, but I did not put them to use because of the space. I actually thought I was gonna mount them in the pantry, in the small pantry that I had, because they came with like these like little adhesive stick up things that you could use. Nonetheless, did not use them, and here we are with a drawer just for them. There are a couple more. Snack, sandwich. Can you guess what the other two are? You'll see at the end if you can't figure it out. But also trying to find ways to incorporate my aluminum foil and my cling wrap. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited. That is one of the last two drawers. Let's go to the other one. And last but not least, this drawer, everybody has a junk drawer. I don't necessarily consider it to be a junk drawer because everything here is used for the most part. My lighters for candles, my clips for sandwich bags or like potato chip bags, not sandwich bags, potato chip bags and so forth. And then my wine stoppers. Okay, so we're gonna find a way to organize this, or in fact, we might just take all this out and put these someplace else that I'm thinking about. And I think because this is underneath the coffee machine, hey coffee, hey iced coffee, I'm gonna put something in here, an extra organizer that I have for the items that I need for my iced coffees and hot coffees and tea, etc., etc. Can y'all guess what this is gonna look like? Okay, so don't judge me. Right now, pots and pans are a chaotic mess. And I really thought that I was gonna be downsizing. And this was before I bought my mom some pots and pans. Ooh, my camera's tripping. So before I bought my mom her pots and pans for cooking, this was like the situation. And I was like, I can organize this. I can get this together. Just really like, you know, screen vents or screen lids. I guess that like when you're frying chicken, nothing heavy up there. I could put pots and pans up there. Oh yeah, I'll have plenty of room. But it's just been too tight. So we're actually gonna move our baking items over to this cabinet. And then we're gonna move this over to the baking cabinet. So right now the baking cabinet is the largest cabinet in here, and it's really not baking, it's like mixing bowls, measuring stuff, sifters, strainers. A lot of the stuff is what I use when I'm baking or when I'm like mixing food or mixing items when I'm cooking. So I call it my baking cabinet, but it's really not. My baking cabinet is actually here. So this is where a lot of my baking dishes are, and it would be nice to just have the mixing bowls next to the bakeware or bakeware dishes. So I think it's a good idea to put all of my mixing bowls and measuring bowls and all that kind of stuff here, and we're gonna move the pots to where we just came from here. All right, let's go ahead and do that.